Back the key to her front door, 'cause it seems she didn't care about me anymore. I gave her all the love I had and she spilled it, yeah. So I packed my things into a shopping bag and decided to quit. But Lord know that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I said I don't wanna be lonely tonight. But I would rather to be lonely than to live a dirty life. All of those things that we've been through used to make me happy, now make me blue. I didn't believe the things that I've heard, no. But now I've seen it with my own eyes. I know actions speak louder than words. But Lord know that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Granny know that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I mean it, yes I mean it. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. But I would rather to be lonely than to live a dirty life. I'm so sorry we've been through. I'm so fed up, I don't know what to do. All of those things that we've been through. Now today we had a quarrel, and I hope it ain't too serious. No. So come on, let's talk things over. Honey, life is so mysterious. You know I'll give to you almost everything I own, and I'll work real hard for you just like a rolling stone. But woman, don't care even if I promise I can't give you my love alone. No, I can't give you my love alone. You know I'll give to you almost everything I own, and I'll work real hard for you just like a rolling stone. But woman, don't care even if I promise I can't give you my love alone. No, I can't give you my love alone. Get to keep loving the street to the good love that I mean. But woman, don't care even if I promise I can't give you my love alone. No, I can't give you my love alone. It's the truth, I just can't hide. Still I want you by my side. my promise. I can't give you my love alone. No, I can't give you my love alone. Woman, I love you. Woman, I need you so. But I can't give you my love alone.
Alright, just listen, baby. Something's wrong. Oh, I can tell. Is it that someone new came along and broke the spell? There's a doubt that I can share. Emptiness in your kiss I'm finding hard to take. If you're had and second thoughts, if you think we should let go, after all we've been through, I should be her first to know. Sweetest insecurity, oh, it's slowly killing me. I've got to know, baby, tell me how you feel. Are you still in love with me? Like the way we used to be, or did it all fade away? And the hurt I feel is here to stay. Are you still in love with me? Like the way we used to be, or did it all tumble down? The hurt I feel is here to stay in my heart. I won't accept, but my mind knows to be true that I'm slowly losing you. I can only try to bring love back in line, but something in your eyes says I'm running out of time. I would call you on the phone just to hear you say, honey, I love you always. Oh, I miss those days. Now I feel so all alone. Baby, where did we go wrong? Tell me that love is here. No, it has to disappear. Are you still in love with me? Like the way we used to be, or did it all fade away? And the hurt I feel is here to stay. Are you still in love with me? Like the way we used to be, or did it all tumble down? And the pain I feel. Make my decision. Live in the morning till I roam. Make my decision.
After you made my day, hurts to know you're going away. Seems like my life began to ruin now that you're departing pretty soon. But what more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I know that you'll return real soon. Alright, you can send me a postcard, mail it on to do same yard. You know what loneliness brings, but I will guide you out in coming in. What more can I say? Yeah. Sad to know that you're leaving, even though it's kinda grieving. Sad to know that you're leaving, but I will guide you out and coming in. Oh yeah. Report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. Passed by your house this morning at 2:45, but you weren't there, no way to welcome me. I'm taking this matter seriously, so make sure you get in touch with me. After you read this note, then you know this ain't no joke, so report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. Yesterday you were a student of my class. Thought you were happy under my supervision, but you're moving too fast. What kind of life are you living? Whose example are you following? Be careful, this is your final warning. So, report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. I've had my doubts and my suspicions. You are always full with explanations. I'm saying this just for your own good. Maintain respect in your neighborhood and report to me. There's some questions you left to answer. Report to me. Disrespect ain't no laughing matter. Report to me. I'll be the judge, I'll be the jury. Report to me immediately. Give me a warning. Report to me. It's just for your own good. Report to me. Got to maintain, yeah. Report to me. Respect in your neighborhood. Love. Report to me. Open your eyes. Report to me. I was so surprised. Report to me. But after 3, there was no one to welcome me. Report to me. Love. Report to me. Take heed. Yeah. So long, I started to believe I'd never find anyone. Doubters tried to convince me to give in, but you can't win. Yeah, when one day the sun came shining through, the rain stopped in the sky.
in life, show compassion, and they send to me a stroke of luck called you. I want in a million, girl. Oh yes, I was a lonely man with empty arms to fill. Then I find a peace and happiness to call my own. And life is worth living again. For to love you to me is to live, yeah. A one in a million. Chance of a lifetime, girl. In life, show compassion, and they send to me a stroke of luck called you. A one in a million, girl. One in a 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 million, you girl. Oh yes, yeah. I was a lonely man with empty arms to fill. Oh yeah. It doesn't really matter too much to me.
Rastinge DJ.
She was too goddamn old for me. But all that really matters is that you're my girlfriend. And baby, that's all that matters to me. Oh babe, let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Oh, remember when I used to drive you home from work? Used to do a lot of things to make my feelings hurt. All my friends say I'm too young for you, but I can do the goddamn race can do. Oh babe, let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so sweet. Oh yeah. Let me love you, girl. Oh yeah. Alright. See, doesn't really matter too much to me. Oh, but she was too goddamn old for me. Hey, all that really matters is that you're my girlfriend. And baby, it's all that matters to me. Oh babe, let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you, girl. Over and over. Over and over. Yeah. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Oh, remember when I used to drive you home from work? Oh, you used to do a lot of things to make my feelings hurt. Baby, all my friends say I'm too young for you, but I can do the goddamn race can do. Oh baby, just let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. It's gonna be so nice. Let me love you down. Oh yeah, well. She's still loving me, though I've caused her so much pain. Yeah. I've done my share of wrong, my share of wrong, time and time again. Yeah. Ooh, she's still loving me.
going fine. And I proudly to the world, yeah. She's mine, one and only. And I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. Oh no, no, she's mine, one and only. And I ain't going nowhere. I ain't gonna leave my lady. 'Cause she's truly mine. forget him now doing jive and you know like it. Can't do what you do, you still him a fight it. And that's why you tell me so you love us, spite it. And tell him to go call a psychic. What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? A long time me I watch him when him did a peep. And him see you till he come to me G. Me never paid up no mind, so me press just lip clutch, kiss all me teeth. That's so me know me left him weak. All the boy is away.
And I'll be home on a mind. Natural thing, yes, sir.
So me make him see it, so. What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby? Simple as, do baby. I know you need a man like me. So why don't he just let you be? So you can come on to me. It's simple as, do baby. I know you need a man like me. So why don't you just let you be? So you can come on, so you can come on. What have we done for you lately? What have we done for you, baby?
If I had the world, I'd give it to you, girl. If I had the world, I'd give it to you, girl. You're like an angel to me. You always give your sympathy, yeah. When I'm exhausted, feeling low, I always know just where to go. You touch my hand, you've always understand the little things that hurt me inside. Yeah, Father, I thank thee for sending me this heavenly guide. When I'm in misery, girl, it's just you that I see. Oh yeah, now you drive away the pains from me. Sometimes you're like cocaine, baby. Oh, so yeah. If I had the world, I'd give it to you, girl. If I had the world, I'd give it to you, girl. Oh, yeah. Oh, I'd give it to you, girl. Oh, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Victory, it's mine. Fighting against conviction, yeah. One man against all nation. I didn't possess no diamonds, no pearls, so I became one man against the world. God. One man against the world. 'cause I am one man against the world. Oh, one man against the world. The victory is mine. Lord knows. Fighting against conviction. Say this a one man against all nation. Why? I didn't possess no diamonds, no pearl, so I became one man against the world. Oh God. One man against the world. The victory is mine. Lord no. Fighting against men and people, yeah. Fighting against all evil. Lord no. But don't care where they're from or who they really are. They might win the battle, but they just won't win the war. 'Cause this year, one man against the world. Alright. One man against the world. Lord. One man against the world. Yeah. The victory is mine. And I've seen the sign. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. I want come text me. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. I want come text me. What you're picking up, I put down already. Lord. Young but don't know storm. Take it easy, just calm. Your battle is hot, but my victory is sweeter. So don't aggravate my temper, show respect to your elder. Oh, mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. I want come test me. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. I want come test me. Or we come up, rude boy, I've strength in a passy. And when I catch you alone, you are nobody. Your life could be long, but you're careless with it. Humble yourself, don't push it. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. I want come test me. Mind you this, rude boy. Mind you disrespect me. Mind you this, rude boy. I want come test me. Want them to be no more delinquent. Don't want them to live under your spell. 'Cause now that we've learned the truth and right, yeah, yeah, it will be riot into the juvenile prison tonight. And I don't give a damn. Riot into the juvenile prison tonight. Now as I look across the prison yard, standing with a rifle was your God. But now that the youths know truth and right, yeah, yeah, it's gonna be riot into the juvenile prison tonight. We don't give a damn, I said riot into the juvenile prison tonight. We're gonna fight for the right. Give the youth them a chance. We don't want them to be no more delinquent. No, sir. Don't want them to live under your evil spell. And now that they've learned the truth and the right, yeah, yeah, it's gonna be riot into the juvenile prison tonight. And I don't give a damn, I said riot into the juvenile prison tonight. Gonna fight for the right. Morning, noon and night, yeah.
Lord of mercy, why I believe. Hey, oh, what kind of man would leave you standing in the cold? Must have been a silly one to sacrifice a pot of gold. Hey, you're the kind of woman that I can give a lot of cash. As much as you require life, then maybe you don't have to ask. I give you love, I'll buy your clothes, I'll cook your dinner too. Hey, soon as I get home from work, I'll pay your rent. Your bills are covered, ooh, baby. As soon as I get home, from work. When I go to work, half a day seems so long. 'Cause you're the only woman, you give me loving so strong. You're on my mind, night and day. I said I will miss you if you should go away. I give you love, I'll buy your clothes, I'll cook your dinner too. Yes, soon as I get home from work, I'll pay your rent. Your bills are covered, oh baby. As soon as I get home, from work. Oh baby, Lord of mercy, why? Oh, what kind of man would leave you standing in the cold? Oh, yeah. I've neglected some wonderful things, and now I'm paying. Yes. Ran into some so-called good company. Oh, for a while I was straying, yeah. I thought it was a greener field. For a moment it seemed so real. So I gave it everything that I had. Never thought it would have made me sad. Now I'm mad, I'm longing to come back home. It's been such a rough time all alone in inside, but I can't let this feeling break my stride. I'm longing to come back home. It's been such a rough time all alone, and now I'm hurting inside. Oh, this I promise from my heart, that I won't let nothing keep us apart. Removing all doubts and fears. Oh, I want this life for us, me and you to share. I thought it was a greener field. For a moment it seemed so real. So I gave it everything that I had. Never thought it would have made me sad. Now I'm mad. I'm longing to come back home. It's been such a rough time all alone, and now I'm hurting inside, but I can't let this feeling break my stride. I'm longing to come back home. It's been such a rough time all alone, and now I'm hurting inside, but I can't let this feeling break my stride. Oh.
I gave her back the key to her front door, 'cause it seems she didn't care about me anymore. I gave her all the love I had and she spilled it, yeah. Now that she's gone out of my sight, who's gonna tell me lies and let me think they're true, yeah? Now that my love is overdue, now that my love is overdue, can you see right now? And I don't know